Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you the process how you guys will remove or optimize your copyright section. So if you guys are using free theme or if you guys are facing problem to optimizing your copyright, so in this video I will show you some process to you guys will optimize your or change your copyright. Okay, so right now I'm using free theme, so that's why these things are happening. So there are in the free theme there are no any option to I can optimize copyright, so that's why I can use some advanced tactics to we can change these things. So simply you can see this is my website login dashboard. I can show you. So this is my website and this is the login dashboard for this. And in this video I will show you the two process. One was is we can avoid using plugin, and the one was is the if the advanced method are not working, so we can use the secondary option where we can use plugin, and the plugin is very simple and small, so these things cannot going to impact your website speed. Okay, so there is a code I have already generated. So this is a code so where we can use in the backend theme file editor section. So simply you can navigate on appearance and there is a theme file editor, so you can navigate on this section and simply you can select your theme. So I'm using GeneratePress, so this is already selected, and there is a function.php, so you can navigate on this and you can scroll, and in the bottom section where you guys can add this code. So suppose that there I can go to add DML training and let me update it, and let me check if is this updated or not. So I guess this is a cache problem, so I can check in incognito. Yeah, so DML training built with GeneratePress, so these things are not working, but I can provide this snippet in the description section, so you guys can check if is this in your theme file, if these things are working, so you can use. Either we have a secondary option, so now we can move forward with the second option. So the second option is to we can download one plugin. So plugin is I can okay, so let me remove this code because this code are not working. So and I have another option, so we can download one plugin. So plugin name is code snippets. So this is a plugin name, and this is the plugin code snippet, so we can install now. And after that, once this plugin is installed, so you can click on the activate button and our plugin is installed now. So you can see there is a snippet section, you can click on this and you will see there is a multiple option. So I guess this is already checked. So this is your section where we can optimize our copyright. Okay, so you can click on the edit button and you will see DML training. I guess I have already added this code on this plugin, so that's why this is already cached. So this is if so you can download this plugin, and if you can found this code, so you can simply optimize your copyright from there now. And if you guys can't, so I can give you the code. So this is the code I have already copied, so this is the code. I can provide this code also for the plugin. Okay, so with the help of these, so let me save these DML training managed by Prav, all right reserved. So let me save. So yeah, so code is updated now on the backend section. So let me open in the new tab, so DML training, and I will show you. Yeah, so you can see 2024 DML training managed by Prav and the all right reserved. So our copyright is updated now, update now. So this is process. So this is the process for the you can optimize your copyright. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button. because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care.